In this section, we'll be taking a look at entering fuel. Once you've logged on to FM Web, click on the menu item Tools and then enter fuel data. The vehicles listed will depend on what has been selected in your selection criteria. Click on the vehicle for which you'd like to enter fuel. You'll note that in the right-hand panel there are headings listed but no data. Click on Click here to capture a new fuel entry. On the calendar, specify the date and then the time for when the fuel was entered. Enter the odometer reading. Select the purchase currency in the drop-down list. Enter the purchase cost. Conversion factor is only used if your trucks filled up for fuel across the border in a country that has a different currency. For example, if my trucks are based in France, but fuel was entered in Britain, the currency I would have purchased the fuel in is pounds. Here I would enter the pound to euro value. My trucks are based in France and the currency is euros. The value after conversion is automatically entered. If, however, fuel was entered in the country where my trucks are based, the currency and the base currency will be the same. You can then enter the quantity. The measurement unit will be according to the measurement units you have specified in Options, My Account Details. Now click Save. The entry will be listed with the date and time, odometer reading, quantity, currency, cost, base currency and base cost. At any time you can select to edit the entry by clicking on the pen, or you can delete the entry by clicking on the refuse bin. And this brings us to the end of this section.